Oh, hello there. You wanted to hear me sing Whatever Lola wants, Lola gets. Lola, look, Lola. Hi. No. We wanted you to sing Happy Birthday to Bill. And who is Bill? Oh, Bill is my brother. You have a brother? Yes. Is he your younger brother? No, he's my older brother. Then he must be very, very old indeed. Well, not that old. It seems to get younger every year. But would you please sing him happy birthday? I will do that for you, darling. Thank you. What? Just sing the song, please. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Guillaume. Nice. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Billy. Mwah.